Course titled Digital Marketing for Artisans. Welcome to EarthTab Business School. My name is Julia Vandermeer, and I will your course preceptor for the course Digital Marketing for Artisans. The Digital Marketing for Artisans course is an extensively detailed, practical, and comprehensive program designed specifically for artisans, craftsmen, and small-scale creative entrepreneurs who want to harness the power of digital marketing to grow their businesses. While artisans often excel at creating unique, high-quality, and culturally rich products, many struggle to reach a broader audience or monetize their skills effectively. This course bridges that gap by providing strategies, tools, and hands-on methods to showcase, promote, and sell artisan products in the increasingly digital-driven global marketplace. Why artisans need digital marketing? Traditional markets and word-of-mouth promotion are limited and often insufficient to sustain growth. Digital marketing allows artisans to compete with larger brands, offering visibility and credibility previously inaccessible to micro-businesses. It empowers artisans to connect directly with consumers, reducing dependency on intermediaries, helps artisans track customer behavior, preferences, and sales patterns, enabling smarter business decisions, provides tools for scaling business operations, reaching global markets, and increasing revenue streams sustainably. Expected outcomes. After completing the course, you will be able to establish a strong online presence that attracts national and international customers, convert online visibility into consistent sales and repeat customers, craft compelling stories around their products that highlight uniqueness and craftsmanship, run targeted marketing campaigns efficiently within budget, analyze results using digital tools and continuously improve marketing strategies, position themselves for sustainable growth and scaling in the digital marketplace. I look forward to congratulating you upon completion of this course.